When vacuum flush toilet systems won't build necessary pressure for flushing, hose inline duckbill valves are a common cause, along with gaskets at the toilet. This video will show you how to replace duckbill valves at the pump. First step is to turn off the water. If you are connected to shore water, turn the valve to the off position. If you are not on shore water, turn off the power to the water pump in the DC breaker panel. Flush the toilet to remove any built-up water pressure in the system. Head down to the engine room and locate the vacuum flush system. Start by disconnecting the power cables to the pump. Next, release the discharge line by loosening the hose clamps. Be careful, there may be some spillage. Unthread the hose adapter. This is where you'll find two duckbill valves. Pull out the old valves and replace with new ones. Reattach the hose adapter and the discharge hose. To access the duckbill valves on the far side of the pump housing must be unbolted from the pressure tank. There are typically 4 bolts on the corners of the pump. Once removed, you can unthread the rear piping from the pressure tank to access the 2 remaining duckbill valves. A space or gap in the valve, as shown here, shows the wear and malfunction of the old duckbill valve. These require a tight seal to allow pressure to build up in the vacuum flush system. Unthread the adapter to reveal the second rear duckbill valve and replace as necessary. Reconnect the rear housing and attach the pump back onto the pressure tank. Before bolting the pump back down onto the pressure tank, reconnect the power to test the pump to ensure it successfully reaches vacuum and shuts off. If successful, bolt the pump and double-check hose clamps and connections for leaks. The final step is to turn the water back on and complete a flush that is followed by the pump shutting off after it regains vacuum.